If you stacked every tax refund since 2015, here's what you would have today. Things are unraveling faster than anyone expected. People are waking up broke, confused, wondering how the ground shifted right under their feet. The clock isn't just ticking anymore, it's pounding. And the scary part is most folks, they had the chance to protect themselves years ago and they never realized it. Today, you're about to see just how big that missed window really was and why the next one might not stay open for long. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest, giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. I put a link down below. Click that link, be the next winner on that list, and take home that silver. Look, most people do not feel rich when tax season hits, but refunds have been bigger than folks realize. Listen to this. The average American tax refund, check out this number. This is according to the IRS. It usually lands between $2,500 and $3,200 for the most part of the past decade. Between $2,500 and $3,200. Just in 2023 alone, the average was $3,000. That's a real strong refund. Now imagine this. Instead of letting that money just vanish, right? Putting it into bills, car repairs, a new TV, you treat it like a once-in-a-year wealth boost. One check every year in your hand, and you put it into a smart savings account, like I'm holding on your screen, the silver. By the way, these are 2-ounce double maples. I love these. They're so cool. The rims are awesome. So you put it into silver instead. Now, check out how much of this metal you would have. If we're looking at an average of those numbers, let's say $3,000. And let's put silver for this argument, for argument's sake. Let's say the spot price hovers between $50 and $75. That's a conservative amount, between $50 and $75 an ounce. We've blown past that. We've gone under it. I'm just picking an average. Now you take that $3,000, you're putting it into silver. You're able to get, here, I'm going to have to pull back my screen for this because the amount of silver is not going to be in these small ounces. I have to hold this up. Here's a 100 ounce. It's going to be not just one 100 ounce brick. Here, let's get this out of the way. It's going to be a total over the past 10 years of not 200. You stack nicely. 300. There you go. It's going to be between 400. We're not done yet. 500. There you go. Between 400 and 600 ounces of silver that you would have. Here's the kicker. This metal that you would have, if you had done this over the past 10 years, put it straight into silver, you would have really, you'd have twice the amount because 10 years ago, you would have been able to pick up silver at the low $20 range, even high teens. So you would have way more, at least double the amount that I'm showing you on your screen. And even better, the more exciting part about silver, the reason I'm really making these videos is because the demand for silver is in a place that we've never seen before. The industrial demand for silver, the use of this metal in industry, for EVs, for solar, for electronics, it's unprecedented. It's really new. This hasn't happened before. And that's what's moving this price today. That's why silver in the past 12 months, 18 months, 2 years, that's why it's gone up so much. It's because of industry. It's not people like you and I who stack silver because we want a smart savings account. That's not what's moving the price. It's industry. And that demand for solar, that demand for electric vehicles, for all this electronics, AI, everybody using AI, that requires this metal. And therefore, this price is going to reach numbers we've only dreamed of. $100, $200, $300 an ounce. We're going to look back at silver the way we look at gold at the turn of the century. Remember when gold was $400? Yeah, $400 an ounce. That's how much gold costs, $400 an ounce. Now at what? 10x, 12x that amount. I mean, it's ridiculous. So that's where silver is headed. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 silver eagles, 20 eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver, and I'll see you on the next one.